If peace of mind feels like a distant dream, maybe it's not about doing more, but doing less. Let's talk about 3 things you need to stop, starting today, if you want real peace in your life. I used to wake up tired, not from lack of sleep, but from the mental noise. Decisions, regrets, what ifs, people's expectations. Sound familiar? Peace isn't a luxury, it's a decision. And it starts with knowing what's silently stealing it. Let's start with the first. It's something you might be doing every day without realizing. 1. The noise of overthinking. You replay conversations, predict arguments, analyze choices that don't even exist yet. Overthinking is not preparation, it's a trap. And it tricks you into believing you're in control, when really, you're just stuck. If this hit a nerve, good. That's awareness. That's step 1. 2. The burden of pleasing everyone. You say yes when you want to say no. You apologize for taking space. You stretch yourself thin just to be liked. And it's exhausting. Peace comes when you stop seeking approval and start honoring your truth. Saying no doesn't make you rude. It makes you free. 3. The toxic comparison trap. You scroll through highlight reels and feel behind. You measure your progress against someone else's timeline. But peace isn't found in someone else's life. It's in being fully present in yours. Remember, you're not late. You're just on your own path. Peace isn't about escaping life. It's about learning what to let go of. Overthinking, people-pleasing, comparison, one by one, drop the weight. If you're ready to simplify your mind and grow into your best self, hit that subscribe button. This is just the beginning.